What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on the NEAR token or the NEAR protocol. So I saw that it was relatively bullish, volume and market cap going up both. It's at 14-15% of the market cap, the volume, which for a 7.3 billion market cap token is really high. So that's great. I saw the whole growth of NEAR protocol the last 3 months, or I guess you could say the last year, and it's actually been phenomenal. Price right now is kind of looking weird. A lot of long wicks and stuff. I normally don't really like that, so yeah, but we're gonna try to do a technical analysis on it, see where I think the price can go in the upcoming days. I do want to place 2 disclaimers. First one being that this is not financial advice, and the second one being that this is all based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. I think it speaks for itself, but if a big fundamental move happens, or if we some big news comes out, I guess you could also call that fundamental, then this whole technical analysis becomes obsolete quite quickly. So please keep that in mind. But as for now, let's get into the technical analysis. So price looks relatively bullish, as I said, up 10%. From yesterday, I actually think that we are going up to that 12.5 level again. But as you can see, that has proven to be quite a big resistance level. So the most likely scenario as of right now, I think, is that we will find resistance again, drop down to eventually around 10.9. I do think that the 10.9 will hold. The wick of the candle, like something like we saw right here, might drop down all the way to 10.5, 10.3. But I do think that level will hold, and from there we'll probably go up to 12.0 again and do something like this. You know, it's I mean, after that we might become a little bit more bullish, go up to 13.2, but first the drop is there, and then we would need to get through that 12.0 level again. So it will take a couple of days before we're back at 12.5. So that's the first scenario. Second scenario, obviously, being is that we break that level. So for that to happen, we would need to see a candle break of at least 12.68 to be precise. Probably the candle will break at around 13.1, because that's also a resistance level just above that. So if it closes at around that region, then we might actually see a break retest off of the 12.68, 12.5 level. We could see some price indifference, so some sideways movement between 13.2 and 12.4, just because both are quite strong key levels. But the fact that we broke that 12.5 leads me to believe that then we could actually break that 13.2, and then probably something like this would happen. And my first price target would be 14.0. It's a very conservative price level, but that's what you have to do in these very unstable, unpredictable, and volatile markets. So yeah, that's basically my analysis. Basically 2 scenarios based upon 2 different conditions. Or basically 2 different things it does at the 12.5 level. So yeah, that's basically, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.